And what are the primary like duties or responsibilities that a bookkeeper brings to a contractor that really helps them save time?
Well, we categorize transactions, all the transactions of the business. We try to organize it in a way that is beneficial to both the contractor or the business owner and the tax preparer, future tax preparer. We can offer reporting, snapshot of their business, doing some comparison with previous months and transactions. Like I mentioned earlier, kind of being a team player with how you would record uh, transactions that are wages that a business owner would have that as a sole proprietor is different than what you would have for somebody that's a corporation
I
or an
see.
LLC. And the way you do the transactions is a lot different. The way you categorize transactions is set up in something called a chart of accounts, which
Okay.
these are all names of accounts where transactions are laying. A lot of times, chart of accounts are meaningless to a business owner. They don't know what, like you didn't know earlier, or some didn't know what reconciliation means.
Yeah.
Well, um, what you need to do is have it in such a way, naming those accounts where it makes a business owner understand what that categorization means, what falls under that categorization. They may not know what leasehold improvements mean,
That's right.
but if you say landlord expenses, you might say that, and that would make a little more sense to them.
Watch the full interview on YouTube, like and share it on social media, and join the Academy at Trusted House Painter and grow your painting business.